What's going on, everybody? It's your boy DMV Meech, back with another video, guys. And today we are going to talk about two shoes that I recently picked up. One of them not so recent, the other one recently. Let's get straight into it. So guys, I picked up the Travis Scott Cactus Trails about a month ago, and I'm sorry I didn't get a video out to you guys about me picking them up. This shoe is nowhere near new. We know that, and it really needs no introduction, and there's probably already millions of, well, not millions, but hundreds of reviews out there about this shoe. But I decided, I hadn't put any content out in a while, which I'm sorry about, and I wanted to get you guys something and show you something that I picked up and I really love. This shoe cost me 5 sneakers. I traded in 5 sneakers to get this shoe. Obviously I got it for resale value. I want to say I ended up paying close to $600 for this sneaker from my local reseller out in Greensboro. Well, actually 3 shoes, and then I ended up selling 2 for like cash value, and those shoes were the University Gold 12s, the Indigo 12s, the alternate Bel Air 5s, the alternate Hair 6s, and the alternate Grape 5s. I loved those shoes. I really didn't want to part ways with them, but when you work at Foot Locker, as I do, and number one, you selling all these shoes. You're seeing all these people come up and buy these shoes. And then number 2, as I'm at work, since those release of those other shoes, I'm at work every day and I'm seeing people come in with these sneakers on 5-10 times a day. I'm seeing somebody come in with the same sneakers that I'm keeping on ice at home. It just didn't seem worth it to me to have all of those sneakers, and at the end of the day, they're not head turners. They're general releases. They're not gaining any value on StockX right now anyway. So I was like, you know what, let me trade some of these in, put a little money in my pocket, and get like a really big banger that I really would love to have in my collection that not everybody is gonna have. So that's how I ended up copying the Travis Scotts. Then more recently, I was able to pick up the PSG 4s, Paris Saint Germain 4s. I haven't done a review on these either, and if you guys wanted to see a review on either one of these shoes or both of these shoes, let me know down in the comment section below. But I caught this sneaker and I actually was able to get it for $25 above retail the day after they released. So they didn't come to my mall, and actually they didn't come to a mall within 2 hours of where I live. That was the closest place that we could get them, was 2.5 hours away. So obviously I took an L on sneakers. I took an L on the raffle for like Fayetteville and Charlotte. So I thought this shoe was gonna be a lost cause, and then a customer comes in. Well, I thought he was a customer, but he actually was somebody who wanted to buy the Lucky Green ones, and he was trying to find somebody that wore a size 8 in the PSG 4s. So luckily for me, I wear a size 8, and I was able to get the shoe from him, and he only charged me $250. This shoe retailed at $225. He charged me $250, so hey, it was a win-win for the both of us. And then it was even weirder because then I found out later that he was married to my cousin that I hadn't met. So shout out to him. Yeah guys, so anyway, like I said, if you guys want reviews on these sneakers, just drop a comment down below and let me know. But that wraps it up for this video. I'm not doing any reviews, but I will give you guys B-roll, and I'll end it off there. Peace.